We got this Predator 420cc. What is it at? 439. So we got the Hemi, don't mind the bird and line charges back there. 349, 6349. So this is the Hemi engine. Let's see here. We got maximum torque 19.8 foot-pounds at 2,500 RPM. So this is the Hemi. The non-Hemi is like 18.4 or 6. I can't remember exactly what it is. 420cc. Apparently this is like, I think 13 horsepower. I think this is, if I'm not mistaken. 13 or 18. I think it's 13 horsepower, something like that. This was like 380. There's a coupon at Harbor Freight for this. Take it down to 319. I had a 20% off and on top of whatever you got going on coupon. But it wasn't, this engine wasn't eligible for it, so it was $319. But I got the 1-year warranty on it. Before you use fill gas here, add engine oil below. I bring oil for permanent damage and void warranty. We do not want to void warranty. And my God, this thing is huge. I think a bad push straight off. Man, this thing is massive. I think this fuel tank, the air filter is probably roughly the size of the engine, but oh my God, this thing is monstrous. Like, this is my hand on the fuel tank of the 212. It's roughly, take that whole thing up, and this is my hand on, oh my God, look at this thing, bro. Look at this thing. This is a 3-gallon tank. Oh my God, like the air filter, the exhaust, the muffler is about the size of the footprint of this whole engine. Like, this thing is like ridiculous. This, compared to that, like, look at, it's never gonna fit in there. Not without significant modifications, but hold on, let me put this down. I'm gonna attempt to get this 80-pound engine out of this box. Hold on. This thing's heavy. Pause. Oh, this thing's heavy. There it is. And all 80-pound, and all its 80-pound glory. This is it. This is me. This output shaft is significantly larger than the one I have right now. So that is gonna have to be addressed. There's a styrofoam right there. That's gonna have to be addressed. So exhaust muffler, engine oil, gas tank, air filter, electric starter. That is going to be very, very, very interesting. What we got here? Spark plug, governor, all of that. This is the Hemi engine. And as you can see, boom, 400cc right there. All right, now we back. Just put oil in it. I think it takes like 1.3 quarts or something like that. This gas tank is not gonna ever be satisfied by my little 1 gallon. I think this is like a 3-gallon tank. Like, this is a big tank. It's pretty large. But I'm pretty sure it's a 3-gallon tank. So haven't started it yet, put gas in it, nowhere near full, but whatever, oil's full, that's all that matters. All right, we get down here, fuel is on. Flip this over to, which one? Hold on. Cause it's not, oh, there we go, start. Got that over to start. That's on, oh, keys. Touch the switch. Okay, cool, that's on. Put the keys out. Switch the keys to, ooh. That did not sound good. Switch the key to on, and then, hold on, I don't want this thing to fall. Switch the key to on, and then, that is not good. Those are not good sounds I'm hearing. Woo. Let's hope somebody celebrated Christmas or New Year's early. Oh, December 24th. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays to everybody who don't celebrate Christmas. They don't got that on. All right, here we go. First start. Let's go. Let's see what happens. All right, one more time because it's not bolted down, so I have nothing to hold on to. Try this again. Oh my God, this thing is a monster. Man, I was not expecting that. Whew, this thing is beastly. Oh, it's 13 horsepower, by the way. I looked online while I was during my brief intermission. It's 13 horsepower and every bit of, what did it say, 19 foot-pounds of torque. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Oh, I'm scared. I'm not gonna lie, I'm scared. But yeah, Predator 420cc. What is it? 18 foot-pounds of torque. 19.8 foot-pounds of torque at 2,500 RPM. This is really not doing it any justice here. Like this thing is beastly. It's a monster. Oh my God. I'm scared. I still have no idea what I'm gonna put it in. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.